Good YouTube, it's your boy Rev10R, and we back with another video. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute since we hopped on the channel. You know what I'm saying? We got our baby out here. It's a hot day in Texas after a long span of rainy ones. So I got the bike out right now. I was doing some adjustments to her, just cleaning her down, because today is bike night. We are about to head over to Cycle Gear for a bike night event. But first, before we do that, we are gonna meet up with the gang, man. The gang. Y'all should already know who that is. TRP, man, over everything. So, without further ado, warm clothes start going.
Em cima da cama, botando de quatro, puxando o cabelo, botando de lado. Eu mal comecei, ele já tá safado, novinho, bandido, tá claro.
Left my ass because I was taking too long. It was cool, man. I ain't tripping. Ain't sweat the little things in life, man. If you always worry about the little things, you ain't gonna make it nowhere. It's a beautiful day. What I need to be mad about. Life is too short to always be mad, man. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. With that being said, we are not too far away from Cycle Gear at all. We do need to watch out for cops because they are kind of just nitpicking out here. Like a motherfucker, bro. Like, there's a store across the street from my house, right? I was like, I might as well just take the bike. I ain't rode in a minute. You know, it ain't raining right now. And then all of a sudden, I'm turning down my little street. Literally all I did was cross the street and then turn down my street. I look behind me, bro. It's two cops behind me. I'm like, bro, come on, gang. So with that, I'm like, what's going on, officer? I'm not tripping. Y'all know I'm legal now, so I'm not tripping. So I'm like, what's going on, officer? They're like, yeah, you made an illegal turn. Illegal turn? Man, they pulled me over. They were like, oh, you made an illegal turn. What's going on, bro? An illegal turn without putting my blinkers on. I'm like, sir, never been pulled over for that. And I got this bike. It had no blinkers on it. I bought it straight from the dealer like this, unfortunately. I'm like, but I understand, you know, I kept it respectful, as you should always with these encounters, to get out there as quickly as possible. I kept it respectful.
All I want is this. All I want is this. And I don't think it's a lot to ask. I think that if you love me, you would get me something like it.
I know this bike. Let's take a look at this guy real quick. And we gonna find his ass later. Chris, why you not filming?
Huh?
Why you not filming? Look at this bitch, full carbon. CBR 600. My boy Chris. You know what I'm saying? Follow that guy. Make sure y'all sub up to his YouTube channel below. What up, bro?
What up, baby?
Y'all left my ass.
Oh, bro, I told you.
You said 6:30.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we left at like 6:45.
Shit. All right.
What time is it now?
I don't even know. Yo. What's going on, bro? Hello.
I was like, did I get the wrong memo? Is my bike supposed to be over here?
Pretty
TRP?
much. Yeah, TRP. Look at this baby. Can I still sign up? Alright. I caught your bike over there. I was like, oh, I know this guy.
Okay, brother.
What's up, man? Hey.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. I dropped my bike on the way over here, bro.
Yeah. Let me see your shirt. Yes, sir.
Hoodie too, but it matches my other bike.
Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Don't follow her. TRP. Y'all know this bike. Oh, what happened?
I dropped my bike.
Oh my god, how?
I
Basically off balance on the slope.
yeah.
Okay. I feel that. Damn. I'm glad you're good though. That's not crazy.
Yeah, and then I crashed. I crashed too, but you knew about that.
Yeah, I remember that.
See you put up.
Oh, you did? What's going on, brother? What's the word? What's the word? Alright, TRP is outside, man. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on, man. Oh, I smell this race gas. Race fuel.
What's up, you know what I'm saying?
Ain't nobody want it.
You know what I'm saying?
Nobody want it out
Nah, they gonna get it though. Like, I don't care if they don't want it. I'm gonna give it to them, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, pause. Hey, man. Alright, let's go walk around and get a closer look at the bikes that's out here. That's an R9?
I don't take breaks, I don't sleep, I just grind every second of my life on the front line. No days off, yeah, I built that mindset. While they hit snooze, I'm chasing every time set. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Chris, why you not filming?
Huh?
Why you not filming?
Man, I just got off work.
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. I would lay something down for you. I'll clear a whole town for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Twisting all my fingers for my dog. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in. And I love you like my kin, it's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah.
My friend.
Oh, shit. You're not getting no hit. It's same bike.
I gave you the hit and I'll count to 5. I already agreed to it. Oh.
I did not agree to shit. You're lying.
I got the receipt.
You're just worried. You're worried.
You're worried that Tune's gonna smoke on you.
Huh?
I didn't know you was gonna go like that.
We're built with TRP. That's why.
Oh, you crazy for the shorts, man.
You don't want to.
Let's make some ass, man. been watching thus far, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I want to continue giving y'all this content, man, and just being the best version of myself while I'm out here on these bikes, not letting influence get to me, and just showing y'all the right way to do this, man. It's all fun and games, but at the end of the day, your life is on the line with this shit, man. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Rev out, man. Take care.
She like the way that I dance.